Welcome back to the R44 workshop. Today we're here with the MHC's latest product. These are the performance style flat side skirts for the F8X platform, so F82, F83 and the F80. There's not much more to them than a flat side skirt made in pre-preg carbon fibre, backed by their 3-year warranty, fitment guarantee. As you can see, the quality is 10/10. Structurally, they're so strong. The biggest thing, when you look at side skirts, I bet you 90% of these kind of flat side skirts on the market are just an edge that comes to a flat edge, right? If you pass one of these ones over from another company or something like that. So these were on a car previously. You can see this flat edge just gets bulleted with stone chips, which makes it uneven and rough. And then when you look at the side of your car, you're like, whoa, that looks horrible. And then let's just have a look at the quality of the carbon. So this is what your friends have, and this is what you're gonna have. Right, big difference. Then look at this, the edge rolled over, all the screw fixings done properly. So just you can see the difference between a pre-preg carbon side skirt to a normal one. Horrible, obviously we didn't clean this one because we have no interest in this one at all. But yeah, that is the MHC side skirt. Comes with pre-drilled holes, comes with stainless steel screws to fix it to the car. You will have to use self-tapping screws all the way along due to there's not having any fixings on the car. But less than me, let's get these installed. It's super easy and you guys will enjoy it. So we're gonna put the side skirt underneath the car, push it up against the jacking block. That'll put it into the right fitment. It's around about 4 mil. These are designed to cross over between the M3 and the M4 platform. Obviously the M4 is slightly different, but both work. Kit will be supplied with 13 mil self-tapping screws. So you just go tight up in against there. You good odds. So let your partner that's helping you fit go in like so, and then find a hole. You can leave them a little bit loose so that way you can just start working them in. And again, that's like so. And we'll go along and put all the self-tapping screws in so it's nice and tight, and then repeat it on the other side, and then let's go outside and show you how it looks.